If you are a beginner, follow this method. This will definitely help you to improve your English speaking skills. My dear friends, first you need to start listening to English content. And why I am saying this? Because you need an English environment. See, a newborn baby doesn't know any language, but when they listen to the people around them, they start catching words and gradually they start speaking. The same principle applicable to the English language or any other language. So start listening English content as much as you can. For 1 to 2 weeks, just listen English content. Moreover, you need to work on your grammar, because basic grammar is very important for learning English. You must learn it. It is very important. Yes, I know some people say grammar is not important for learning English, but in my opinion, grammar is important. It is important. If you do not have an English environment, grammar will help you to speak English. Yes, those who have an English environment, they might not need to learn grammar because they are continuously listening English speaking, and that is why they learn English very easily. But we don't have an English environment, and that is why we can learn English with the help of grammar. And another thing is shadowing technique. Just choose one English content and repeat after the speaker. I have already talked about shadowing technique in my previous videos. It is very useful technique. If you are a beginner, just use this technique. It will help you and you will notice an improvement in your English speaking. And last one is storytelling practice. This method will not only improve your English speaking skills, but it will also increase your vocabulary. Suppose you are practicing with your partner. Just choose 5 words and say to him, okay, let's practice storytelling by using these words. I will give you one word and you have to create a story by using that word. And once you create some lines of the story, again I will give you second word and you will fit that word into the story. In this way, you will use all those 5 words and create a big story. At first, you might not be able to create a meaningful story, but when you practice storytelling every day, you will start creating a meaningful story. So, this method will not only improve your English speaking skills, but it will boost your imagination power. It will improve your vocabularies, creativity, concentration. So you will get lots of benefits. And if you are alone, you can still practice by using a storytelling method. Just pick up few words and try to create a story by using that words. Or you can talk about your past memories and try to use specific words while narrating those incidents. It will also improve your narrative skills. So if you are a beginner, you can practice by storytelling and reading stories. This will help you to improve your English speaking skills. If you're really eager to learn this language, you will find a way. In this modern age, we all have facilities, so many facilities. Within a few seconds, we can get plenty of information, right? And cultivate our knowledge. So I hope you will practice storytelling method, and if you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon for more such video. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye, take care.